Hi, today we are going to focus on the topic query processing and B-tree. What is query processing? What are the components in query processing? How query can be converted into the expression and insertion and deletion taken place in B-tree. Let's see what is query processing. Query processing is a collection of activities in order to extract the data from database. During query processing, the SQL query, that is high-level database language, is converted into expression that can be used at physical level of file system. In this architecture, the query processing consists of three different components: parser and translator, optimizer, and evaluation engine. Parser and translator, it translates the SQL query into internal form, then it can be translated into relational algebra. Once the relational algebra expression is obtained, it checks the syntax and verify the relationship among the queries. Optimization, after relational algebraic expression is obtained, it prepares the query evaluation plan, and a cost can be estimated for the query evaluation plan. So the cost is estimated with the help of statistical information obtained in database catalog. Evaluation, so it takes the input as the query evaluation plan and execute the plan and produce the result for the SQL query which is made by the user. This will be the simple example of SQL query. This SQL query is converted into the relational algebra. So the query will be select balance from relation account whose balance will be less than 2500. In final step, the query can be executed by the query execution engine. So the cost can be estimated based on three different methods. Disk access, it is an important thing in estimating the cost. CPU time to execute the query, it is little bit harder. And cost of communication, it is not suitable for the larger database. Next, disk access cost. The simple formula to calculate the disk access cost after the query evaluation plan is prepared: B into T plus S into T, where B and S will be the blocks and the seed, T will be the time to transfer and time for seek. Let's see B-tree. B-tree is a self-balanced search tree. In tree, every node it has a multiple value and it can have more than 2 children. So the number of keys and the number of children for a node is based on the order of the B-tree. When insertion or deletion can be taken place in a B-tree, it need to satisfy the properties. So the B-tree holds 6 different properties. All leaf node must be at same level. All node except the root node should have at least m by 2 minus 1 keys. All internal node must have at least m by 2 children. If the leaf node is a non-leaf node, then it must have at least 2 children. So the non-leaf node with n minus 1 key, after inserting all the keys in a node should be in an ascending order. Let's begin with a simple example of B-tree insertion. When B-tree insertion has been taken place, it have to check the key value. When the node reach the maximum number of the key, the node can be split and middle node will be considered as a root node. So the node split can be based on either the left BIOS or the right BIOS. Let us consider the example of order 4. When we are inserting the node 5, 3, 21, it does not create any problem in inserting the node into the B tree. When we try to insert the node 9, it will reach the maximum number of key. So in this case, we need to split the node into two different halves. So if we based on the left BIOS, the middle element will be 5 and 9. So the 5 can be considered as a root node. If it is based on the right BIOS, the 9 can be considered as a root node. So the remaining node will be inserted as a left and right child based on the values of the root node. If it is less than the root node, it can be inserted as a left child. If it is greater than the root node, it can be inserted as the right child. Okay. Next we see how the deletion can be taken place in B tree. So in order to delete the node 53, which is the right child of the element 49. So in order to satisfy the property, all nodes should have at least 2 children. For example, the 49, it hold the 2 left child, but right child will be the single one, that is 57. So in order to solve this problem, those data can be merged together and displayed as a single node. This will be the final tree after the deletion of the node 53 will look like. Application of B-tree, it is used to index the data and it provide a fast access, and it will be the time consuming when we need to access the data from the larger database. Thank you.